is Liberty Bell Reacts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make fairy honey.
This tutorial, I'm going to be using some styling gel from the Dollar Tree. This really adorable jar with a spoon attached to it that I got from Hobby Lobby. This label that says Fairy's Honey on it that I got from Amazon. I'll be dropping the link for this in the description. This is some glitter in the color Goldenrod that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is a slightly different shade of gold glitter that I just had in my crafting supplies. I have some gold mica powder from the dollar store, a little spoon for my mica powder, and something to stir my fairy honey with. And this step is optional, but if you'd like your fairy honey to light up, then you will need a hot glue gun and an LED light that will fit on top of your cork. It's important to make sure that you don't have one of these LED lights that switches on at the bottom, because once this is glued on, you're not going to be able to turn it back on and off again. You can use one that has a switch on the side or one like this that twists. I decided to go with this styling gel because it just seems like if I'm making honey, the honey should have some texture to it. Styling gel is going to give my fairy honey texture. I'm going to add my glitter first. Once again, I don't have a set recipe. I'm just making this as we go. I just kind of eyeball things. I could say maybe I just added a teaspoon of glitter for people who need exact amounts of things. Oh, this is pretty. See, I like having the two different colors of glitter, and this way it kind of gives me like a highlight and a low light. Oh, I love how this is coming along. Just got to stir this up really well. You know, I don't think it'll hurt to add a little bit of mica powder to the mix. So I'm going to use my spoon here. Add just some tiny amounts of mica powder. It really just adds this beautiful shimmer. I'd say so far I've added about a teaspoon of this gold mica powder. I'm adding mica powder in so that the mixture will not look clear. What I didn't want was clear gel with glitter. I want the honey to be glittery, but I want it to have a color in and of itself. It's so pretty. And now let's just go glitter to the max. More glitter, more glitter. I definitely have that base color that I was hoping to achieve. There's no such thing as glitter overload when you're making fairy honey. I love this. Say my mixture is complete. I just need to wipe out the inside of the jar so you can see how full the jar of fairy honey is. I did not want to fill this jar all the way up to the top. I wanted to leave it a little bit of breathing room at the top, so it would feel like when you come to my apothecary shop, I sell my fairy honey by the spoonful. Hence the little wooden spoon. So people have already come in here and I've sold a couple of spoonfuls of my fairy honey. And so that's why my fairy honey jar isn't all the way full. Business is booming in my witchy apothecary shop. And now to add to the look, I think, making it look like people have been shopping and I've been selling my honey, I'm going to take a little bit of this extra mixture of hair gel and my mica powder and my glitter. I'm just going to put it on the spoon. So I have a dirty spoon. I think it's really just the little details like that that will really make your potions come alive. My potion needs to tell a story. And the story is that I'm a dirty witch who doesn't wash her spoons. I'm just going to place my label on here. Now I'm going to use my glue gun. I'm going to put some glue on the bottom of my LED light and then attach this to the cork. easy breezy peasy. I'm going to give that a minute to dry. The fairy honey was already magical, but with this little LED light inside, it really takes it to the next level. And now it's time for the reveal. If you like this project, let me know about it in the comments section below. If you didn't like this project, you should also let me know about that in the comments section. This has been Liberty Bell Reacts, and thanks for watching.